What up, y'all? Every penny counts. I just wanted to give you a quick video on branded surveys. I'm about to cash out real quick. You see here my balance. I have 1,014 points. That's equivalent to $10.14. And my pending balance is 408 points, which is basically $4.08. Like I said in my previous videos, they take a couple days before they move over to print to approve status for whatever reason. But basically, my total account, I have a little bit over $14. I'm going to cash out 10 because that's the minimum that you can cash out with. You see here at the right corner, I'm a gold member, and that's the highest level you can get. I mean, I've really accumulated a lot of points, a lot of cash outs. Just real quick, showing you what I do on this site. I like how they organize it. Right here, biggest bang for your buck. That's basically the most points for, 7 minutes right there. 120 points, 7 minutes. All right. They put down all your surveys. These are ones that are good for you. Look, 400 points, 25 minutes. You know what I'm saying? I don't pay attention to the time as much because you can get a lot of those surveys done faster. If you read fast, you answer questions fast. I wouldn't do them too fast because you can get disqualified for them. But they don't all take 25 minutes. Because some people pay attention to the time and they're like, oh, that takes too long, I'm not gonna do it. But, they're missing out on so much because a lot of these surveys don't take a lot of time if you really know how to answer questions. All right. The quicker survey, these change from time to time, from basically hour to hour. Quicker survey, that's 9 points, a 5-minute survey. You know what I'm saying? Now, they are, that's probably the lowest I've seen. They do have ones that are on here like, 40, 50 cent for like under 10 minutes. All the quicker surveys are like 10 minutes and under. So just keep that in mind. And they just kind of put the rest of the surveys down here. Look, fun survey. You know what I'm saying? Just kind of scroll down. You'll see load more surveys because they have lots of them to do. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. That's what I'm doing on this. I'm just going through. I'm doing as many surveys as I can. Just banging it out. And like I said, they don't take that long and they're not hard to do. And they pay, good points. You know what I'm saying? Like 15 minutes, 72 points, 60 minutes, 15 minutes, so that's what it's about. Just on this site, just really grinding. Just grinding survey by survey. They do have a daily poll. Let me see where that's at. It's at the bottom right here. If you just answer this daily poll, that's 5 cents a day. You know what I'm saying? I haven't answered it yet, but let me just do that real quick. Like I showed you my balance. Let me do that. I got 1,014 points. Now the daily poll, when you get those points automatically get approved. So whenever you answer that, what's the question? If you can only choose one flavor of ice cream, what would it be? I'm gonna say strawberry. Submit. It'll show you the results. Most people like chocolate. That's crazy. I hate chocolate ice cream. And when I refresh the page, it should jump up to 1,019 points. So I'm gonna do that real quick. And there you go. All right, so that's how that works. Now I'm going to cash out. I'm going to go over here to, let me see, my rewards. You see all the withdrawals that I've had in the past. I'm continuing to cash out. Look at all these withdrawals. I'm going to show you real quick. If I can scroll down. Trying to do all this with one hand. All these withdrawals to PayPal. You know what I'm saying? Just that simple. So, we go to payment options. And once that loads, I'm gonna go to PayPal. I got my email in there. I'm gonna click submit. And oh, that's actually updating. Let me see where I need to go. I'm trying to cash out right here. I'll go to redeem points. I'm going to actually just do $10. Just because you can put the how many you want to. I can cash out a minimum of $10 because that's the minimum, or I can cash out it all. I'm going to leave 19 cents in there. So I'm going to request withdraw. It says it'll be here by May 21st. They usually get there on that date, but a lot of times they get there before. Right now you see it's actually May 17th. So a couple days, it'll be here, a few days, whatever. I'm going to request withdrawal. And there it goes. Money redeemed via PayPal again. So now I have 19 points. $4.08. That'll be in a couple days, so I'm almost halfway to my next cash out. So I mean, that's how it works. You know, by the time my payment gets into my PayPal, I should almost be another $10. You know what I'm saying? It's all about the grind in this site. So branded surveys, I want y'all to sign up. My link in the description. And just, you know, do what I just showed you. You know what I'm saying? Just go through all those surveys. When you have, you know, spare time, a little downtime, just that's all it's about. You know what I'm saying? Just going through your survey, getting approved. They do give you disqualification points for some of the surveys, not all of them. So kind of keep that in mind. So when you're doing these surveys, you are going to get something for your time, even if you don't qualify for them. But from time to time, they'll ask you demographic questions. Just make sure you answer those honestly, so they know what surveys to give you. All right, so like I said, that's pretty much it. Just sign up my link in the description. Get started today so you can cash out just like I did. Very easy site. Site has been around a long time, and I want y'all to start making money with me on this site. All right, so sign up today, and remember, every penny counts.